COVID-19 led lockdown soared transactions done via online payment platforms. Use of credit and debit cards also saw a major uptick in June, signifying how digitalization in the financial ecosystem is now a necessity. National Payments Corporation of India offerings such as UPI, IMPS, Bharat Bill Pay and ETS FASTags proved essential during the pandemic, largely due to its adoption by merchants in both online and offline businesses. On one hand, banks have focused on developing digital infrastructure for customers' contactless banking needs. On the other, push to work from home has created a need to ensure compliance and monitor the job of banking employees in a safe cyber environment. Experts point that the banking system often limits itself to digitalization of its bank-to-customer interface and not its infrastructure by use of artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud, Internet of Things, human-computer interface, blockchain, among others. In India, more banks are now exploring these options so that employees at all banking levels have the best tools to ensure delivery of banking services with utmost security during times of disruption. According to a report by Accenture, the COVID-19 situation has accelerated changes in 2020 that were expected to happen by 2025. It says that the characteristics of a future bank in the new normal includes it being more digital, data-driven, highly automated with artificial intelligence, along with business capabilities to adapt without delay. According to a survey cited by the World Economic Forum, 66% of bankers believe that new technologies will have the biggest impact on banking in the next 5 years. This represents a 57% increase from last year's figures, which could reflect the impact of the coronavirus crisis. 77% of banking leaders strongly believe that AI will be a game changer. Looking at these trends, IIT Roorkee recently launched a first of its kind online course around the use of artificial intelligence in banking. According to a research study, 32% of financial service providers in India, including SBI, HDFC and ICICI Bank, are already using AI technologies like predictive analytics and voice recognition. But the use of algorithms to improve banking operations and recognize customer patterns still need wider adoption in the sector. A research paper also reveals that the technology-driven banking will most likely not replace humans but threaten existing roles for new ones. Some banking experts also stress that every bank must become a tech company, especially in post-COVID times. A recent PwC Global FinTech survey also reveals that FinTech will drive the new business model. And Deloitte in a report establishes that partnership of banks with FinTech firms give them early access to innovative technology. For example, earlier this year, ICICI Bank created Technology and Digital Group. Axis Bank launched Thought Factory. HDFC Bank has identified 5 startups to boost its banking operations. DBS Bank has opened a mobile-only digibank. It also believes that regulators will also turn to technology. In February, RBI demonstrated a shift of payments by saying cash is king but digital is divine. It also announced a digital payments index to assess and capture the extent of digitalization of payments effectively. The Reserve Bank of India has also commented on the potential of blockchain in its recent financial stability report. Growing access to high-speed, low-cost internet and smartphones has encouraged the adoption of digital services. But the financial ecosystem, from the regulators and fintech companies to the customers, need wider adoption of blockchain and machine learning while addressing concerns arising during the COVID-19 pandemic like security risk and fraud detection.